Hello, Jason.
Hi, Sufei.
This is quite a large LED display. Is that our product?
Yeah, this one for LEDs from Hikvision.
Cool. Hello, everybody. Welcome to Hikvision Tech Friday. I'm Sufei. Today, we're going to talk about Hikvision LED display products. This is Jason, our product manager. Hello, Jason.
Hi.
We can see LED in many different places, like conference room, stage event, or even shopping malls. Does that mean that our Hikvision LED products can also be applied in those different scenarios?
Yeah, of course. Hikvision LED product family includes the fine-pitch LED, indoor LED, outdoor LED, and rental LED. We can provide different solutions depending on the client's requirement. So it's a very good choice for different scenarios.
Welcome back to our studio. And now Jason will keep on talking about the topic of Hikvision LED display. So Jason, welcome to our studio, and can you please tell more about the Hikvision LED display?
Sure. Actually, in overseas market, the finest pitch is 0.9 mm in our product family. And now we are also developing the COB and 4-in-1 LED product. You know, China is the biggest LED market, and most LED manufacturers are in China mainland. Hikvision was ranked third in 2019 in the fine pixel pitch LED market.
What about the effort of the display, the performance? Because we can see that the display shows the color quite real and natural. So how does it make it?
Firstly, for the key material, the LED lab and the driver IC, we cooperate with Tier 1 brand to ensure our product quality. For example, the LED lab, we use the Everlight and the Nation Star, and the driver IC is from the Microblock. Secondly, with Hikvision Pixel Master technology, it can improve the color saturation, image contrast, and sharpness. And also, we define three different display modes, that is the movie mode, presentation mode, and multi-role mode for different sensory applications. This can provide a much better real-world experience for the client.
What about the controls? Is there any highlight function you'd like to tell?
Actually, Hikvision researched the controller by ourselves, so we can control the system functions and LED parameters through the remote controller. It can achieve the brightness adjustment and switch the input video source, and also can open the eye protection mode. And also the three display mode we just mentioned, it also can switch by the remote controller. It's a very convenient function for the operator.
Sounds great. Is there any points we need to pay attention to the product maintenance and the service life, which customers always worry about?
Firstly, Hikvision LED display can achieve the dual signal backup, and in the cabinet, it can support the power resistant design. And our automatic dehumidity functions. With these functions, it ensures the operation more stable. And secondly, LED cabinet is the truly full maintenance design. That means all the models include the LED modular, the power supply, and the internal cable can replacement from the front. And for operator, if have some problem, it can very quickly and easily do the replacement.
So till now, we have got to know the remarkable performance and the various scenario applications, and also the extended lifespan with automatic dehumidification. So thank you for the very clear introduction of Hikvision LED display, and thank you for coming today. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you next Friday. Bye-bye.
Bye.